today under this roof is because our mothers had a successful delivery. That is the reason we are all here. And the opportunity and the significance of birth is only given to a woman. That is one difference that either the evolution or creation has made, that the birth is something that is coming from our mothers. It is very important moment, and that's where the life begins. As you have heard from the previous speakers, that the fertility rate in this country is going down, but the number of births based upon the population is very large. Then you have heard from Tarun how to make the birthing or the delivery an experience that does not have the ambience and the smell of a typical hospital. And it is very, very important, because as you have heard also, that pregnancy is not a disease, it's a physiological, it is a function like ears, eyes, nose, etc. So that is a part of the process. And when the life begins, it has to be very momentous and very important. All the applications that you fill for whatever, you have to fill the application. There is always a column dedicated to date of birth and place of birth. Without date of birth and place of birth, the document loses its significance. So that is the value of birth and our existence. And to create a place or a hospital where the significance will be valued by the fond memories that the mothers, the fathers, and the families will have. The term hospitality comes from hospital, but when you think about hospitality, you think of places like Taj Deccan. But when you think of the hospital, you don't have good memories generally. But how do we make a hospital become a hospitality center? And that is a challenge that Tarun and others have undertaken, and they have come all the way coming to the fruition of this. I have followed the healthcare delivery and the maternity hospitals in Greater Hyderabad for many, many years. There are excellent centers, they're very good centers, they do very good job, but there is also a need to create a new dimension as we enter 2012. I think year 2012 will be very important in the annals and archives of the Hyderabad and its environments, because it is going to create a hospitality center which has no resemblance to any other place that you know or that I know.